there's this funny, almost magical aspect of following curiosity-based research. When you just try to understand how the world works, somehow that's made it possible for us to leapfrog all sorts of problems.
Today, I want to share a relatively new discovery we made with you focused on butterflies.
With a technique known as seismic tomography, one can take essentially a CAT scan of the Earth.
What information in our genome instruct for the organization and neuronal activity that is responsible for our thoughts, our memories, our feelings, and our behavior?
Since the Industrial Revolution, the ocean has absorbed something like 40% of the carbon that we've put into the atmosphere. Phytoplankton photosynthesize and they take up CO2, sequester it in the ocean.
One of the things that we've been really interested in is why and how some diseases jump between different species and then cause real problems in those new hosts.